Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Check it out. So in this video, real quickly, watch closely here. I'm going to show you how to make $800 per hour using Google Chrome here. As a matter of fact, step one is you got to have Google Chrome. And the great thing about this, you can do it on an iPhone, Galaxy phone, whatever cell phone, or your laptop or iPad. And listen, you can't use Internet Explorer. You'll make $0, and you cannot use any other browser for this to work in the way that I'm going to show you in this video here. So listen, it's very easy, very simple. As a matter of fact, I usually give this to teenagers and young adults because, you know, if you're in college and school, you're looking to make an extra couple of $1,000s a month. And if you follow the video and watch it very carefully here, I promise you, at the end of the video, you're going to love me. You're going to comment below, say, Wesley, I love you. I'm going to sub to you, and I'm going to like every video because it actually works, okay? So check it out. So first up is just go to Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, just go to google.com here and just type in Google Chrome here like Wes. Oh, I'm sorry. Google Chrome here like that. And you just basically download it for free, depending on your operating system. You have a Mac, Windows, whatever you want. And as a matter of fact, smash the like button if you use Macs. I use Macs, you know what I mean? I'm a Mac guy. Or smash the like button if you're a Windows person. If you are, hey, you need to get up to date, okay? So the next step is you need to go to the site by the name of furpection.com. Now, it's important, like I said before, listen. You have to make sure you're using Google Chrome because any other browser, this will not work. You will make $0. This site here basically is going to pay you a ton of money to become what is called a tester. And let me explain it. Before you move too fast, let me explain it to you, okay? And I'm going to go very slow so you get this. You're going to basically give your opinion about other sites, other companies, and they're going to pay you to do this. And the great thing about it takes no money to start up, no skill. All you need to do is lay in your bed, like I'm in my bed right now, and I'm doing this. And like I said, I know a ton of people are doing this. As a matter of fact, I got it from other people. I got it from a teenager. Not a teenager. He's 22 years old. He's from Canada, and he does about $1,000 per day. And he said, I said, I said, hey, man, can I show other people? He said, yeah. So this is from here. So smash the like button because he's showing us some love, right? So you can do this. So basically, it's that simple is you're going to earn money just like Jennifer right here, just by leaving your opinion about products on the internet, okay? And it's very simple to do. Many people do it from their mobile apps. Many people do it from their home, like moms, you're a single mom, single dad, whatever. And you just don't want to work, or maybe you want something on the side, like a side hustle. Smash the like button if you want a side hustle to make money. Well, this is one of the easiest ways that I've seen in 2022 to make money online using Google Chrome here. So listen, this is how simple it is, right? You just click on the button that says start earning money, right? Is that you? Of course. So it's going to check your browser. See here? That's why I told you got to use Google Chrome, because if not, on other types of browsers, it won't work here. And I'm going to fill this out for you. Email address here. I already have our account here. Let's do another one. I want to do it from scratch here, because the reason why I don't want to do it from scratch is so you can see the sign-up process, which has to be done correctly. And many people, when they watch my videos to the end, they make mistakes because they just don't follow the instructions in the video here. So we're going to call you bighead.com. How about that? You big head. I love you, though. Smash the like button if you love Wesley Virgin. Let's go! Hit next here. Very simple to start making the money. Now, listen. The first name has to be your actual name. You see this $5 to $20 per study? Because all you're going to be doing is these crazy easy missions on the internet. Instead of browsing the internet for free, well, you're going to make money, okay? Instead of watching videos and watching Will Smith slap Chris Rock, you can make money doing all this stuff, right? So make sure whatever name is, it is the correct name, because if not, you won't get paid, because the checks go to the name that's here. Password can be whatever you want that to be. And like I said, PayPal, email here. You got to have a PayPal. If you can't get one from your friend, because that's how they're going to pay you over and over again using this process. That's how you get to $900, okay? Hey, smash the like button if you're getting value, if you're still with me. Okay? Just want to make sure. Tick that box here. Enter. Boom, bada bing. Then what they're going to do is ask you all these questions here, right? Simple. Save that big head. All right, what's your gender? Male or female? Okay, male. Okay, great. Okay, great here. What's your birthday? You know what? I want to be young, so we're going to say 2021, February 1st. Hey, make sure you buy me a gift. My birthday's January 16th. Let's go. So, you just got to go through all this wherever you're from, United States. As you can see, it's worldwide. Smash the like button because someone left me a comment and said, Wesley, I love your videos, but can you please make something that's in my city and state? Here you go. It's all over the world here, okay? So me, I'm in, where am I? Am I in the United States of America here? Yeah, I believe so. So I'm United States of America, so I'm going to do that here. Next. City, Houston, Texas. H-Town, players and pimps. That's go. Look. So next here, simple. And then, as you can see here, boom, then you watch this video. This video is very important. Now, listen, once you log in, once you do everything you need to do, make sure you watch the video, okay? Because this video is going to allow you to start making the money because they're going to give you studying and missions. Doesn't matter your age. Now, what I want to do is something cool for you, okay? If you look in the description under this video, because I know it's somebody out there to say, okay, Wesley, I can do this, but, and they're going to send you emails basically to do the missions, but there is an opportunity for you right now to be able to do this on autopilot. There's a link below. It's a software, okay, that allows you to basically do everything I just showed you on autopilot, okay? It does all this for you. It does the studies for you. It does the missions for you. So what's up to you? All you need to do is make sure your PayPal account is correct because they're going to pay you over and over again. Does that make sense? To be a tester, but the software does it. If you look below, you'll see www.wesleyvirgin.com/Chroma. You click there, get access to it. And what I'm going to do for the first 10 people this month, as you're watching this video right now, I'm going to personally help you, okay? You'll see that once you click the link here. I'm going to show you through the process. It's very simple. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get it started. But once you log in, make sure you watch everything to the very end. And trust me, you'll never work a job, you'll never go to school, and you'll understand that make money online is the way to go. Because listen, it's possible. So go ahead and make that move now. If you don't, go ahead and do it manually. But if you want an easier autopilot way to do it, get the link in my bio. I just want to show it to you. It's in the description below. You don't have to click it. You don't have to get the software at all. But this is what I'm doing. I'm using software because, well, I'm living an easy life, and I'm going to continue to live an easy life, and I want you to live an easy life as well. So listen, like I said before, first 5 people, I'm going to help you out personally. Click the link, okay? Get access to it, Chroma, and watch it with Google Chrome does. It's going to do everything for you. It's a blow your mind. So I love you guys. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, motivated, dedicated. Let's go.